Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a haul. I'm going to show you some ColourPop things that I got. I'm going to show you some other PRs, and I'm also going to show you an official February 2019 Boxycharm spoiler. Woo! Let's start off with Splendies. Splendies is a monthly subscription service for underwear. I've talked about them in so many videos. I've been getting Splendies for years now. I actually counted my underwear the other day. Guys, this is insane. I have over 200 pairs of underwear. Like, that's insane. Okay, so this first pair is from the Splendies brand, and they look like this. These are so cute. Okay, this next pair is super cute for Valentine's Day. It's from the brand Miss Vicky's Intimate, or Intimates, and this is what it looks like. And then the last pair is from the Splendies brand, and they look like this. You know, I'm not really a fan of these ones. It has an Eiffel Tower on it, and it says something in French. I don't know, not really a fan of these, but I do like how it's like a print in the front and lace in the back. I think that's super cute, but I don't know, this print is just kind of like meh. If you guys are interested in signing up for Splendies, I will have a link down below. I'm gonna save the Boxycharm spoiler for last, FYI. Okay, next we have some products from Thrive Cosmetics. If you've been on my channel a minute or since June is when I first started using Thrive Cosmetics. I love this company so much. I got 2 products from them. They've changed out their little bag that they send like their products with. Like, you get this free makeup bag. First thing that I got is their Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Oh, it was right side up. It looks like this. I will link a Mascara Monday episode talking about this. This is one of my favorite mascaras of all time. I just got one because I wanted a backup. I actually have my other one right here. I didn't plan that. It was literally just chilling right there. But yeah, this is seriously an amazing mascara, and like I said, I just wanted a backup, so I got that. Okay, and then I got a new product from Thrive. This is the Instant Brow Fix. It's a semi-permanent eyebrow gel. I was very intrigued. I got the color Serena. This is for dark brunette to black hair. So we'll see how I like this. But basically, it's just a little guy like this. I love Thrive's packaging. It's like really nice quality. Like, this mascara weighs a ton. Like, this is really nice quality packaging. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Just a little brush like that. So I am excited to try this. Semi-permanent. Intrigues me. Got a package from Derma E. The card says, "New Year, same beautiful you. Cheers to a new year and another chance to be beautiful." Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay. 2 products. First is the Derma E Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. I will definitely use this. The other product that they sent me is the Derma E Purifying Daily Detox Scrub with activated charcoal. Everything has activated charcoal in it now. What did I get recently? Oh, toothpaste with activated charcoal in it. Super excited to try these 2 products, so thank you so much, Derma E, for sending those to me. I got some products from ColourPop. I placed an order, Ulta? Yeah, Ulta. I got 4 of the Super Shock Shadows. Guys, I've been a ColourPop fan since, I think, 2014. When they first came out, they sent me products, and then they blew up and forgot about me. It's usually what happens. Okay, so anyway, I got 4 of the Super Shock Shadows. This one is called Waddles. There's the swatch. That's the color. This camera. Oh, I love the autofocus on this camera. It's great. I'm looking at myself now. Hi, hi, hi. Okay, next is Set to Stun. Ooh. This one looks super, super pretty. Really pretty. It's got like a bunch of shimmer in it. So pretty. There's that. And I got hammered. I got hammered. This one's a really pretty, like, dark green. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. So pretty. And the last color I got is Cheap Date. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Okay, then I got an ultra glossy lip in the color Snow Day. Here's the packaging. I love their lippies. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh. Oh, it's got a brush. I feel like my other ColourPop, hold on, do I have any in here? I feel like my other ColourPop lippies have like doe foot applicators. Yeah. See, this one's a doe foot, but what is this? This is an ultra glossy lip, and this one's a ultra glossy lip. Did they change their wands? Because this is a brush now. I'm just gonna, yeah, I mean, there's no point in showing you the swatch. It's just like a really pretty shimmer color, like a pink shimmer. The last thing I picked up is the No Filter Concealer in the color Fair. I have not tried their foundation yet. This looks really light, so we'll see. I might have gotten the wrong color. You know, that's really light. Oh, geez. Now I'm going to show you guys a spoiler for the February 2019 Boxycharm. I got this little card from them. It says, hi love, yeah, da, da, da. We are excited to finally announce that we are going to be featuring the da, 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 Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara in their February 2019 Boxycharm. Woo! I know a lot of people like this mascara, and I'm gonna be honest, I tried it when it first came out and I don't think I really liked it, but I am gonna try it again and see how I like it. But I do know a lot of people like this mascara, and I know a lot of you guys will be excited that this is in the February box. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. I will also link products that I mentioned in this video. That's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.